Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, myself Priyabrat. In today's video, we going to solve a very popular coding interview question, find the missing number. We cover intuition, code, dry run, time and pace complexity. So let's start. We are given an array size and containing distinct number from 0 to n. But one number is missing. Our task is to find the missing number. Here given an example, nums equal to 3, 0, 1. Here missing number is 2. So our approach is brute force, sort the array, check the missing element, but that would increase the time complexity. Instead, we use a mathematical approach. We know that the sum of the number from 0 to n is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Core idea. So the idea is simple. Calculate the accepted sum using formula. Calculate actual sum from the array. Subtract missing number equal to accepted minus actual. So I normally first we take an variable, store the size of array, then we take another variable accepted, that the sum of the total sum from 0 to n, then take a variable to store the array sum, then run add all the element, return accepted minus actual, that difference equal to missing number. Let's start the code. Here we take an variable int n equal to nums.size. After that we take accepted equal to sum of the nth number n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Then we take a actual number equal to 0. We run a for loop into nums for loop nums. We take the sum of the actual plus num, actual plus equal to num. Then we return the missing number. So return accepted minus actual number. Okay, here is a nums. Here all the cases run, we submit the code. Here it's submit all the cases are 122 test cases are passed, and here we use a for loop. Its time complexity is OFN and phase complexity is OF1. Thank you. If this video like, then subscribe our channels, and further upcoming videos of LeetCode are soon. Okay.